personality. We all attach importance only to the external things about others, not for ourselves. That's why we do not have clarity in our life, because we are fetching something in a different place. You have to fetch in yourself. You have to see to yourself, actually. So, this sort of science of the creation and creator, when once you come to know, you will be more happy. I prefer to play some 1 or 2 videos, each somewhere around 4 minutes like that. So first I will try to give you some video where you will have a glimpse of the structure of the total universe. Okay. The whole universe containing several solar families, all sorts of solar bodies, and the planets, and the higher ions, and energy boosters, and energy galaxies, and galactical fields, and numberless universes. Okay, these are all put together is studied in the topic called divine matrix. It's a matrix. It's a complicated. It's a question of web-like thing. Okay, the entire universe is a kind of web. Web means Telugulo sale goodu antaru kada. So these are all the knitting, one with each other. Okay, just like that. It's a web anamata. Ee web lo we should know where we are. We are also a part of the web. Okay, so let us see what is that web. Okay, I'll play the video. Let us see. Just we'll remove the video. Shrikant Garu can manage the sound, whether it is audible or not. It is getting opened up. You will be able to see.
Yes, sir. It is opening. Yes, we are able to see it. Yeah.
See, and you check up the voice, whether you are getting sound or not.
Yeah. It is perfect.
Yes, fine. This is the structure of the whole universe, Thousands of universes, lakhs of universes, crores of universes are there. You will get an idea of actually what it is. This is the moon on the earth. Earth moon. Are you able to hear the sound? Hello?
Yes, sir. We are. The sound is very low. Can you increase the sound?
I will increase. Is it not your this thing, system sound will not be there? This is the maximum sound.
No, sir. In Skype, you have to share your system sound also. Then it will be audible.
Okay. Yeah, system sound is 100. I have taken 2 already.
No, sir. In Skype there is this thing called share the system sound in Skype share. There you have to share.
Oh, that is the reason.
Yeah, correct.
Share the system,
Sound.
show task, toolbars. Very small sound is there.
No, while sharing the screen, you have to share the system sound and this thing.
I see. So that is now, if I, shall I minimize this or what? Undani lendi.
Okay.
All are having earphones now. You are also having the mark of distance, 2.3 light years, like this. These are the stars, billions of stars. This is the Milky Way, There's so much of stars group is made one galaxy. One galaxy containing countless stars. Such galaxies are in quite in good number. So many galaxies. Now, how many stars are made? All form part of one galaxy. Immeasurable heaven it is. See, this is the web. It looks like a web, knitted. Cosmic microwave. This is called one universe. One universe. How many universes are there? See, all are these universes. All the universes, countless universes are there. Okay, my dear masters. We'll close this. Okay. So now you are able to see through the slide is there before you. Okay, masters, are you able to hear me?
Yeah, we are able to hear you, sir. Yeah,
Okay.
we are able to see these slides also.
Slides also. The Academy has presented you the whole structure of the very unusual, unimaginable, okay, undescribable, untold, So this sort of structure is there. And in this volume of universe, the Pyramid Spiritual Science Academy wants to explain that where is our position. We are also thinking that we are great and there is nothing impossible for a human being. Are we able to conceive or understand this sort of great secret values of the unseen cosmos? So, to understand this sort of mystery is a mystical science. This is a very huge mystical science. If you want to know, you kindly visit Pyramid Valley. Uh, Available as on today at your own places. And there is a huge pyramid in Bangalore city as well as in Hyderabad. And number of pyramids are there. Perhaps it may be at your places also. Check up, inquire, and get hold of that. Very great structures that will reveal you the whole secrets of human life and the secrets of creator and creation. People are amazed to understand this ununderstandable science. So with this, we'll start today the divine matrix, structure of universes and functions of the universe, a very great subject. Unless we know this, what is the fun of living here? See, wherever we are, we should know where we have come, in fact. So in that direction, we'll just try to know something more. So the infinite, unexploded cosmos. Okay. The lot of study is left behind. We are making only a bit here and there. We can come to know only a of the whole alphabetical universes. Okay, where we are. So, so we had the glance of the whole universe. In this universe, now I will try to uh, give a video on the cosmology proper, not the entire universe what we have seen. Now we have a limited study of the cosmos, that is solid solar solid bodies, how they are situated, and our a journey is video is based on some video. We'll come to know that we now travel from the earth planet to the cosmos. While traveling, what is that we'll be able to see? Okay, this is a small video of 4 or 5 minutes. Let us see that. Okay, give me 1 minute time for that. We'll go back. Now, Srikant Garu, the sound, what happens? Anything? Hello?
Yes, sir. You have to share the screen along with your system audio. There is an option while sharing the screen. You have to share with the system audio.
System audio.
Yeah.
Okay, now the video has started. Are you able to see?
Yeah, we are able to see.
Yes. So let us bear with the same kind of sound. Now let us see. Okay. And now this is a trip on high speed, jumping long distances with the factors of 10. It's a voyage. It's a journey, Moon voyage. Okay, we call. Hello. Airborne voyage. We travel through air. Okay. The distance to a bunch of leaves. We are in a garden now, and nearby some leaves are there of a plants. We are in the garden, some sort of a tree, branch, and leaves. So we are able to see the. Now we are just moving into the skies. So we are at the distance of 100 meters from the ground, from the leaf. Then how it looks, you are able to see. Yeah, 1 kilometer distance, 10 kilometers distance, how it looks. The ground, it looks like this. There is no leaf, no houses, nothing. 100 kilometers upwards, you are going. 10,000 kilometers upwards if you go in the air, by flight or whatever it is. Some people must have got this experience. You are able to see the earth, ground in a global shape. 1 lakh kilometers. The earth has become a small. Then 1 million kilometers away in the sky. It looks like around the moon's orbit. It looks like this. This is a part of the orbit. Earth has got the orbit, okay, its own gravitational orbit. Then other solar families, other planets are there, namely Venus, Earth, like Earth. That is also a planet. Mars, Jupiter, like this. These are all the planets around 10 billion kilometers away. The solar system looks like this. And the orbits of the planets. Now the entire system of the solar unit looks very small. And more empty space is there. And more other universes, stars are there. Here we are having the sun in a very small size, So very, very small. The distance from the earth is 1 light year. Then beyond 10 light years, here we will see nothing in the infinity. Where nothing. Nothing means only stars, nebulae, just like a sand, you can't identify the substances. Which one what? Nothing to identify. It is like a nebulae. Milky Way it is, just like milk. Milky Way, we'll be seeing this. So this is the Milky Way we are seeing at the end of the periphery. So up to this we are coming. So my dear friends, you understand that so many bodies, solar bodies, universes, galaxies, okay. Other galaxies as well we'll find like this. A group of galaxies going to form the universe, and group of universes will be the unusual universe. From this distance, all the galaxies look small, immense empty space is in between. So empty space, still it is there. It empty space, even though so many bodies are there in the sky, still there is a lot of empty space. So this is the travel from the ground, Earth planet, to the huge cosmos. So now we are going back, okay? See, we came back to the place where from we went. The question that come across, who are we? Where are we going, in fact? Where did we come from? Where from we have been sent here? What purpose? All these things, we need the answers. Okay, now we will have a information about the leaf structure inside. What is there? Is externally so much is there. Brahmanda it is. Brahmanda means the great existence. Anda means life. Brahmanda means great life. That's it. So now we have arrived at starting point. Now this is the leaf from where we went. If you see inside the leaf, what is there? Outside we have seen so many planets, universes and everything. Now inside a leaf, you can have a glimpse of that here. Leaf is structured in many parts like this. Cells are there in the leaf. So the cells are of this kind. These are cells in the leaf that is in the plant kingdom. Starting our trip inside the cell, like let us go inside the cell, each cell. This is the nucleus of the cell. The biological students will come to know about this. These are the chromosomes. Natural sciences students will follow because they study plant kingdom. And this is the DNA, okay? And this is the DNA structure inside the cell that designs the shape of the plant. Like rose flower will give only rose flower with the same DNA. Then these are the blocks of chromosomes in group. And these are the things which are available in the plant, just like that we observed in the sky. The emptiness and the electrons and cells, same thing is available inside the leaf also. Electrons are there in the leaf. As we find electrons in our human cell, plants also do have same thing. Still there is space, lot of space. These are the carbon atoms, in fact. Carbon atoms are important for every life. Here we are in the field of scientific imagination. There is a proton. The smallest of the electron is called proton. Up to this, we can go inside, and this is the structure, this is the last. And beyond this, there is nothing to see. This is the limit of the matter. The whole matter is whatever it is. This is the matter. We have seen the visible matter and invisible creation, creator. Okay. So now the question is that last question, who says that we are alone in this universe? Are you special creature of the creation? Are we special? We are not special. We are also one among these things. Crores and crores of species is there. Like plant kingdom, there are so many other kingdoms are there, which we know already. So this is the video. We must thank the makers of this video. Okay. My dear friends, did you happen to see the video fully or any obstacle? Srikant Garu, are you able to hear me?
Yeah. We are able to hear you, sir. Continue.
Okay, so the video has been seen. Video could be viewed neatly.
Yes, sir. It was fine. Yes.
Yes, fine. Now we'll go back to this slide, This slide. We have seen the universal structure, we have seen the solar family structure also. Okay. So with these two only we are uh, able to see, nothing more than that. We know the visible things on the Earth planet or in the cosmos. That's it. Our story ends with this. But we cannot see inside this, inside the human being, we can't see. And who is the creator of these two things? Are you able to imagine? Who has put the solar planets there, so many universes there, including all the five factors of elements? Who has kept this Earth planet? Who has kept this large ocean, water, bodies? Who has kept? Who is the creator of this? Do we know? We can't know. We only see what is visible to the naked eyes, or maximum we can travel along. We can have some microscopic lenses enhancing the power of sight. Okay, we can visit or see through certain things which are available to the eyes. Can we say what is the cause of this universe? What is the purpose of this? And who is the creator behind this? So, if you want to know, we'll make some effort on this subject in this direction to understand who is the creator. Okay, we are now going to the important chapter of identifying the creator. Okay, so now I will take the assistance of one video. Hello, my dear masters. I'll take the assistance of one video here and let us understand what it is. So the we are showing the elements. A lot of tree, water, hills, air, everything is there here. These are all the properties of Earth planet. Five elements are shown here: water, hill, air, plants, everything. Kailasa Parvata it is. Okay, snow material. See, air to breathe, fire to warm, water to drink, the earth to live in. So these are the contents of this video. You understand? Air to breathe, and then fire to warm up you, and water to drink, and earth to live in. These are the elements which are meant for us. Now, when you have seen this video, you will be understanding there's a lot of very beautiful substances are there with us. We have a lot of hills, a lot of trees, a lot of rivers, oceans, birds, fellow beings. So much of variety of life is there, isn't it? Who has made this? That is the question before us. Who is the creator of all this scene with us before us to see and enjoy? Fine. Now see this video. This is the last video I am going to show you for this class. And this will reveal certain information about the creator. Okay, let us see this. Are you able to see, my dear friends, the screen? Are you able to see the video?
Yeah, we are able to see. Yes.
Yes, fine, very good. So now you have a beautiful scenery on this here. I'm expanding it. Okay, now you have a larger screen. You have what is that you are able to see in this? Okay, normally in the classroom of 3 days and 5 days sessions, we have a lot of interaction with the pupil to question and get the right answer from them. Okay, today we will understand. I will only speak. You can follow if you have any doubt. You can just question me. No problem, right? Now today we are now on this screen on the laptop. We are seeing a lot of township is there with a well laid roads system, and it's a beautiful township, we can say. Okay, masters. Now the question is that before this town is built up, what was there? If that question pops up, time is getting up. Now we are coming to the last point of identifying the creator. Very sharp. Okay. Now you kindly imagine what hello. Okay. What was there before the construction of this township? It was a barren land or a forest or a desert. Yes or no? So this the barren land was not put up by any human being. The desert is not constructed by any human being. But who is the maker of this township? Township is made up of by human being, by an engineer, available to us for questioning. Okay, so my dear masters, we should understand that there is something which is already available to us, which we cannot make out. But now we are all meddling with that, what is that available to us. So man can recreate, but creator he cannot be. Okay, he can only recreate out of the creation already available to us. Okay, masters. Now see the second video. Okay, this scene, are you able to see? Here we have a large ocean by side, and there is a big mountain is there. Okay, my dear friends, kindly imagine who has made this ocean for us. We have not made. Fine, nice. And who has put up the mountain there? We did not put up the mountain. We did not construct the mountain there. Mountain is already there. Ocean is already there. We have nothing to do with, nor we can make them up. But what we can do, we can cut the mountain and put up our own path there. We can meddle with the mountain in whichever way we wish to. Yes or no? That's what we did. We have a beautiful path across the mountain. Okay, we can go to the other side by building a suitable, walkable, motorable, and convenient road for us. Okay, masters. So this is made by whom? Don't you know? We only do it. Our engineers are doing that. That is, humans are meddling with the mountains. Mountain is not made by humans, my dear master. So mountain is not made by any Other mountain is not made by our humans. We don't know who has made it, but we only meddle with that road. So this also is same thing. So much of work has been done on the piece of land. The land was not done by us, but we do all that which we require. We can modify that piece of land to our useful utility. Here, there is a lot of water body is there, and we have our path to walk on that. Water is not kept by us, but path is made by us. So one is made by somebody who is not known, and the other one is made by somebody who is known. So there are two guys are there. One is unknown and one is known. Understand? So you see the huge railway line has been laid across the mountain. A lot of tunnel has been dug, and then the tunnel is placed in place. Okay. So who has made this mountain? Hello. Who has made this mountain? వినబడడం లేదా ఇది కనబడుతుందా లేదా?
Yes, sir, we are able to see. Please continue.
See, yes. So the huge mountain is the handiwork of somebody who is not seen. Okay, there is unseen person also is there. You have to understand, and there is a seen person who is other than ourselves. We are meddling with that the mountain in whatever way we want. We put a hole on that and we dig that and we make a railway line inside so we can go the other side. Okay. So now there are two persons are there. That is what we should understand. This is also a forest. Nobody can walk. Okay. They have a rope way between one tree to another tree. Such as locations are there. Even in the northeast, we found such locations. So somewhere if you go to Arunachal state and all that, you will have an occasion to see such scenes where I have worked for 1 year there. Okay. So there is a ropeway is there. People can walk through the roadway and reach the other tree or other place. But actually the place is not walkable. There is a severe desert. You can't. You will have to have some tree cutters and all those things. Okay. So the forest is not kept by the people, but the ropeway is definitely kept by the people, and they are able to make through the forest. And this is a big mountain with a motorable road. So mountain is not by us, but motorable road is only by us. So one unseen person and one seen person, both are helping each other. And here also like that. So, huge construction, okay, by unseen person and seen person, both. Here, load of snow and all. Snow is not made by humans, but thoroughly a road, a walkable or motorable road can be carved out of that huge amount of snow. Okay. So here, from one mountain to another mountain, we lay the path. Okay. Here we just made a big hole. Okay, and then go the other side. The mountain is made by somebody, and but we were able to go the other side by making a huge tunnel. Okay. Here you see the very big mountain. The big mountain has got a small path of 10 feet. Such sceneries you will be seeing in the northeastern side. So very, very huge mountains are there where people are able to go in a small 10 feet roads. The roads are made by again human beings, and the big hill is not our handiwork. So that is the lesson what we are. See here, a wonderful garden has been made out of a dense forest. Understand? Yes, unseen person and seen person are necessary for this. This is one of the structures of the same theory. Here, on sand, train goes. Here, on a very, very severe streams are there in some locations of India also. Everywhere you will be finding abroad also. These very currents, these streams are having heavy undercurrents. You cannot even put your foot there. If you lay your leg, you will be dragged away into the waters. Okay, that is the situation. So here, the path is made by human, whereas the stream is not made by us. Okay, masters. So this is the story now. We have now when this is the case. Now you tell me who is that unseen person and who is this seen person. Okay. Now we will just understand the theory behind this. Now I have some mobile. You have your mobile with you. So your mobile is made up of by some company. Namely, my mobile is made up of Nokia. This Nokia, are you able to see or not? I don't know. But this mobile is made up of Nokia. Suppose if this is out of order, if it is to be set right, or if I design it differently, where I should go? I should go only to the manufacturers of this. If I take this video, if I take this mobile of Nokia to a Samsung person, he will say, "Sir, this is not made by us. Kindly go to the manufacturer. Only manufacturer can deal with that." So, with the same analogy, my dear masters, we are now making a garden out of a forest. Why? Because we are actually original manufacturers of that. We can only meddle with the forest. If we are cutting the fuse hill and make our own path, how can we do this unless we have kept the hill? Manufacturer only can repair it. How can we, when once we are repairing, when once we are revising it, then it means that we were the manufacturers. So that is the analysis. But manufacturer is not seen, and only the repairer is seen as on today. So the spiritual science says that everything, whatever is available, is also created by an unseen person. And what is the person who is in the shape of body, who is visible person, can meddle with that. So the same person can make the original hills or the original elements when he is out of the body. When he is not seen, he will manufacture. When he is seen in the body shape, he can only meddle with that or repair with that. So the creator is not seen because he is inside the, the present person who is seen with the body. So the invisible creator is called Atma in Sanskrit, and the visible person has got that Atma inside, hidden, and only the body that covers it. That's why the physical body is seen. So we are understanding that we are seen people. But who is the manufacturer? The unseen Atma is the manufacturer. When once it is in the shape of Atma, it is not seen to anybody. It will create things. When once the Atma takes body over that, and then we become human beings and we can manifest ourselves. Now we have the body shape and everything, anybody can see us, and we will meddle with the whatever we have created earlier. We have created water, we can meddle with water, we can do coffee, tea, and everything. But you cannot make water as such. That is the reality. You have created water for yourself when you are not there with the body. When you remain as Atma, you have created, and when once you take a body, you can meddle and make a tea out of that. So this is the spiritual science. In a way, we can understand that there's nobody else is there, and seen and unseen persons are both in the same body. Okay, masters. For this, authenticity is from the legendary. Our text is there. Bhagavad Gita says. What does it say? I'll show you in the. My dear master, bear some time, some 2-3 minutes more. We'll go fast, no problem. Now in this slide, I think, are you able to see the slide? Are you able to see the slide? We are discussing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are able to see.
Yes, we are discussing the topic of creator and creation. Okay. The creator is there. We are unseen in Atmic realms. That is called in Sanskrit as Avyakta. Vyakta means manifested. Vyakta means open. Avyakta means not declared, not open. Avyakta, not expressed. Vyakta means expressed. So we are unseen when we are in Atmic realms. Atmalokas, when we are there, we are unseen. We are in the form of Atmas. Okay. And they are the creators. Atmaloka people are creators. Right? Atma in the body is not a creator. Then what does it do? It will only recreate again. So whatever available, whatever done by that, when once it is out of body, it will only recreate the same thing again back and back. Okay, we are the recreators. That is called avyakta adini bhutani. My dear masters, this is what we are coming to know from the legendary book Bhagavad Gita. We are able to understand that avyakta adini, adini means in the beginning, avyakta adini bhutani. These people who are humans now, they were avyakta, they were not expressed adini in the beginning. Okay. Vyakta madhyasthani bharata. Vyakta madhyasthani. That is, now we are in the middle. We are not in the Atmalokas. We have come here. Again, we have to go back to our own house. So the Vyakta madhyasthani, we are now in the middle stage, in the shape of human forms. We have taken the bodies and we have become expressed. That is Vyakta. Hey Arjun, you understand who you are. Avyakta adhini bhutani, vyakta madhyasthani bharata. Avyakta nidhananyapi. Even if we give up our body, when we die, we become again avyakta. Avyakta nidhananyapi. Ka tatra paridevana. Why are you unnecessarily bothering about this and that here for a small time? When we are spending some time here, we are not this body contained energy fields. We are only atmic bodies. We are energy bodies. We are the creators. We are not for long to use that whatever we have created. We only for a small time, in a park. We come here, remain certain thing, enjoy this whatever we have created, and then we go back. For that, why are you unnecessarily meddling with your mind? Why are you bothering about mind that you have to kill as if they are going to be killed or some such thing? Nobody is going to be killed. We are also not getting death. We are not dying at all. Only we are removing our body. That is what he was telling. Dehesmin yatha yavvano kaumaram yavvano jara. Kaumaram is about childhood, yavvanam adulthood, and Jara means old person. We are going on changing, and we go back. Okay, so this is the science, in fact, and this is what is happening around. And every man is going and then coming back. We are able to see day in and day out, and every day, man is going away in front of our own eyes. We are only telling that day has gone. How can he go when he dies? He goes without dying only giving up the body. Sharira tyaga. देहेऽस्मिन् यथा कौमारं यौवनं जरा तथा देहेऽस्मिन् यथा कौमारं यौवनं जरा देहान्तरप्राप्तिः तत्र धीरः न मुह्यति. That's what the Shastra says. That's what our ancestors have often roaring. Dehantara praptihi, that's it. That is Dehantara International, we are going. ದೇಹ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ದೇಹ, ఇంకొక దేహం. దేహాంతరము, దేశాంతరములాగా దేశాలు ఎలాగో తిరుగుతామో అలాగే దేహాలను విడిచిపెట్టి మరో దేహాలను తీసుకుంటూ ఉంటాము అని చెప్పేసి చక్కగా చెప్తున్నారు అని ఒక శ్లోకానికి ఇంకో శ్లోకానికి చక్కగా విడమర్చి అర్థాలు మనకి గోచరిస్తూ ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద secret of the creation, that we are the creators and we are the solution givers. For every problem we can give solution because we are the creators of solution and we can only solve it. Nobody can solve your problem. You have created and you have to solve. A Nokia phone cannot be repaired by any other manufacturer, Baba. So that is the reason when we have created our own problems, you cannot see for others to solve your problem. Kindly don't do that. Some problem issue are creeping up when we are encountering something, it is only for us to solve it because we can only solve it. Even others, if you give also, they will do halfway and it will increase your problems. Kindly, but you don't know that is. That's it. Ignorance is there for us. A lot of ignorance. I'll give you some information on ignorance and delusion. Illusion and delusion. There are two topics are there. One, everybody has to know that. Okay, my dear masters. As on today now, a lot of time is up. So we have to again, after we take the body, we become seen. Then once we have given up our body, we become unseen again. So nidhananyapi, avyakta nidhananyapi. So even after death also we go and remain as Atmas again. We don't die, there is not death. Ka tatra paridevana. Why are you unnecessarily troubling your mind? Why are you weeping, crying? All these things are there. Okay? So, my dear masters, now this class is meant to understand that you are not a simple person. You have come here for certain enjoyment of here, not to cry or not to weep, and not to be sorrowful here for anything, whatever happens, nothing to worry about it, and just lead the events, whatever we are encountering, we have to experience and we have to learn from that and we have to enjoy that. And then we are not going to be here permanent basis. We have to check off and elevate ourselves into other realms, So we have to go back to our Atmic state. And we are Atmas. Aham Atma. Aham Atma Gudakesha Sarvabhutashra Stitaha. Adisya Madhyasya Bhutanam Anta Evacha. So these are all the things our ancestors have amply explained, and we are only not catching it up because we are not understanding that, we are not opening the books. We are all saddled with the materialistic a sort of issues and all those things where we became the victims of the happenings around. Okay, so my dear master, this is the class today. We have learned that the creation and creator, there is no difference. We are the creators and we are the creation. So kindly love everyone. All the species are embodiment of love. Okay, so we are inseparable from the Atma. Atma is love, nothing but. So next class we will again speak on different topics. Now we will kindly discuss about what is Atma. Okay. Tomorrow we'll discuss in a very less, very small sentences. We'll try to understand what is Atma. Okay. Okay, my dear. With this, I conclude my session. Sorry, I have taken something more time. Anyway, kindly bear it up. And we have done a great satsang today. And I am sure that you are happy with this. So kindly have some sort of doubts and everything. Anything is there, kindly open up yourself. And at any time, you can come up with all sorts of questions, and we are ready to answer that. Okay. Even if we don't know, we'll get to know and come to you. Don't worry about it. Okay. So thank you very much. So our Srikant Garu,